Congratulations, Josh and Nanay Esterlina! Oh my gulay! Katulad ng sinabi ni Christian, kulang na lang doon ay kiss. Aww, kiss on the cheek. We are rooting for it. Guys, ito na, ibebesa na natin. One big besa. 1, 2, 3, Andre, go.
1,
2, 3, go. Congratulations, guys. Kwento nyo naman po sa amin, ano ba yung naging proseso nyo ng pagpili ng kanta? At bakit napakaswak nitong kantang to?
Go, Mami.
Teka lang, kinikilig pa ata si Mami.
Pahingahin mo muna, Mami, yung BP mo, ha?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Kasi ano, parehas naming pinipili yung kanta kasi parehas naming gusto yung kanta.
And also a special shout out to my mom. It's my mom and I's favorite song. Yeah, super special sa akin na I get to sing it in front of my idols as well. So, super nakakatuwa po. Blessed kaming nakapartner ko pa si Mami Esther na napakagaling na singer din.
Oh.
Alright, so Mami Esther and Josh, alam namin na both of you are good in different genres. Pero paano kayo nagkasundo sa pag-perform and sa pag-kanta ng inyong napiling song?
Ano ba?
Chemistry lang, chemistry.
Chemistry lang sila.
Magaling lang kami eh.
Alam mo yung mga ganong klaseng parang wala lang eh.
Siguro po, kasi si Mami Esther, nung tinanong ko po siya, gusto niyang pumili ng kapartner. Gusto daw niya talaga lalaki ang makapartner niya. Tapos, another thing that she took into consideration was I also speak the same dialect as she does. We're both Bisaya, so Team Bisaya represent here. And then, tapos po, siguro kasi parang yung contrast ng boses namin, malalaki yung boses ko, si Mami Esther naman, serene, na malambing, na mataas. So, yun po, I think we also, we chose the right song for the both of us, which parang na-showcase yun at hindi nagsapawan.
Oo nga. And kahit, yun nga, you use your contrasts to your advantage, right? Which made it a great performance. Now, lastly, I have to ask you guys, ngayon na na-experience nyo na yung one-on-one, na-experience nyo na yung pares kontra pares, ano sa tingin nyo yung maibibigay nyo sa susunod na round dito sa The Clash dahil kayo ay kasama pa rin sa ating Top of the Clash?
Yes.
Giniginig ka pa rin ba, Mami? Dito ka nga,
I would like to speak on behalf, do it pa rin daw.
Do it pa rin.
Do it ulit.
Kailangan do it pa rin, oo. Ano sa tingin niyo,
18
Mami?
ulit eh.
Baka talagang yapon na mo ang the best para ma-prove na mo nga deserving sa kanta. Yun lang.
That's beautiful.
For me, I think yun po talaga as what the Clash panels would always tell us. Song choices are very important. So, we have to make sure na as long as nandito pa kami sa competition na to, kailangan magaganda yung song choices namin na ma-showcase kung asan yung galing po talaga namin.
Tama. And bukod sa song choices, you guys really put your heart into this performance. Once again, congratulations, Mami Esterlina and Josh.
Thank you po.
Good job, good job. Enjoy.
Thank you po.
Hi everybody, thank you for checking out this video. For more updates and videos, just click here and subscribe for more kaganapan dito sa The Clash.